This 2026 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 350G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Redmond, Oregon, 97756 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Redmond. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new grand design is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Slideout, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.